DIY ginger lemonade. Watch the video and enjoy.
Hello viewers, welcome back to Machine Art channel, and if you join us for the first time, welcome. Today on this channel I will be doing a tutorial on how to make lemonade. I say I because I'll be the one drinking and enjoying it. And the lemonade I want to make is the ginger lemonade. So to make ginger lemonade, you'll be needing one sized lemon. If you're making it just drink, you know, like you don't want to make so much of it, you will need 15 gram, or you might even use 5 to 10 gram or 15 gram of ginger. Reason why I say so is because the ginger may be to taste, right? You can just use the quantity you want to use. Then use 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now we'll be making half liter of lemonade drink with this, right? All you need to do is to ensure the ginger and the lemon are thoroughly washed up with salt water up to 3 times. I've done that already, guys. You know, then once you do that, you slice the lemon and squeeze out the juice and keep aside. Then add some water, let's say 200 ml of water into the sugar and ginger, and allow it to boil for some time. That you'll be having 100 ml left or thereabouts. Just ensure that it boils, all right, thoroughly. Then you do what? You strain the liquid. Once you strain the liquid, you pour the lemon into the liquid and allow it to cool, or allow it to cool, then pour the lemon into the liquid. Then you can go ahead and add cold water and some ice, or you can add very cold water to give you what? To give you half liter or 500 ml of lemonade afterwards. So this process of cooking the ginger and the sugar in water, you know, boiling it and allowing it to boil for some time, is called sugar serum processing. All right, yeah, it's not going to be very, very thick kind of bed. It doesn't have to be too watery, then it doesn't have to be too thick or very thick or something like that. It should just reduce the quantity of water that was initially added, right? So what you're gonna do is to just get this washed up and pour water in the ginger and the sugar and boil. All right, so once I do mine, I will show you what it is like. Allow the contents to cool off, then do what? Transfer it to a bottle, then pour the very cold water and shake. Now its own flavor, and ginger has its own flavor. You don't need to add any other flavor, all right? But if you want, you can add some sort of flavors. If you want, you can add some eucalyptus. If you want, you can add some lemongrass. If you want, you can add some ginger leaves. But absolutely, you don't have to add anything again, all right? All right, see you once I get the sugar and ginger serum made and squeeze out the lemon juice and mix up. Yeah, so when I'll be mixing up this before transferring it to the bottle, and when I get it into the bottle, and when I'll be pouring the cold water, I'll let you know, guys. See you.
Alright guys, so this is our ginger and lemon serum. You know, the sugar is already in it. You know, I made the ginger and sugar serum first, then I poured the lemon. All right, so I'll be adding very chilled water and mix to make it ginger and lemon drink, or ginger lemonade. All right, so I'm going to be pouring this drink now, show you what the drink looks like. All right guys, so this is our lemonade. All right, it's a beautiful ginger lemonade. I'm gonna test and tell you what the taste is like, alright? This tastes so good, guys. Like, I'm just loving it. Yeah, I just love it. So guys, don't miss out. Make this and drink it and tell me what the taste is like, what your experience is like, and whether you're going to be making and chilling and drinking and enjoying with friends and family, all right? Or even your colleagues at work, all right? See you on the next video. Please like, share, comment, suggest, and subscribe.